Welcome. If you want to make an audio call with chat on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to connect with friends, family, or colleagues using Messenger's audio call feature, all while keeping your chat open for messages, photos, and more. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in to your account. Messenger is available on both iPhone and Android, and the process is nearly identical on both platforms. Once you're inside the app, you'll see a list of your recent conversations. Scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person or group you want to call. Just tap on their name or the group chat to open the conversation. Now that you're inside the chat, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a phone icon right next to the video camera icon. To start an audio call, simply tap the phone icon. Messenger will immediately start ringing the other person or group members. If they answer, you'll be connected in seconds, and you can start talking right away. While you're on the call, you can still send messages, photos, or stickers in the chat. This is perfect for sharing quick notes or links without interrupting your conversation. If you need to add someone else to the call, look for the Add Person option, usually found in the call interface. When you're ready to end the call, just tap the red phone button. That's it. Your chat will remain open, and you can continue texting as usual. Messenger's audio call feature is a simple way to stay connected, whether you're catching up with friends, coordinating plans, or just want to hear someone's voice. With just a few taps, you're all set to make your next call. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.